What if the next war India fights is already being tested somewhere else? Right now, thousands of miles away, the conflict involving Iran, Israel, and the United States is revealing something terrifying. A preview of wars will actually be fought in the next decade, not with just tanks and soldiers, but with AI, cyber attacks, drones, and invisible digital battles. And for the Indian military, this conflict is more than news. It is a real world battlefield laboratory because the lessons emerging from this war could shape how India prepares for the conflicts with major powers like China and Pakistan. Today, we decode 5 strategic lessons that could define the future of India's defense strategy. The first lesson is brutally clear. In the modern warfare, the war in the air is decided before the war on the ground even begins. Across recent conflicts, the side that dominates the skies gains overwhelming advantages. Advanced aircraft, precision guided munitions, electronic warfare systems. These tools allow deep strikes against military bases, radar stations, and command centers. Once air superiority is achieved, the battlefield below becomes extremely vulnerable. For India, this lesson is critical. Future conflicts with technologically advanced advisories with required layered and integrated air defense systems capable of defending vast territories and critical infrastructure. Air superiority is no longer just a supporting capability, it is the foundation of victory. The second lesson may be even more transformative. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming one of the most powerful tools in the modern warfare. Modern battlefields generate massive amount of data. Satellite images, radar signals, drone feeds, electronic intelligence. The site that can analyze these data faster gains a massive advantage. AI systems can now detect targets, predict enemy movement, and assist commanders in making decisions within seconds. This drastically reduces the time between detection and destruction. For the Indian Armed Forces, investing in AI-driven intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance system will be essential because in future wars, speed of decisions could matter more than sheer firepower. Third lesson is that the wars are no longer fought only with missiles and bombs. Before the first shot is fired, the battle may already be underway in cyberspace. Cyber operation can target communication networks, financial infrastructure, military command systems, energy grids. These attacks can disrupt an entire nation's ability to coordinate its defense. In modern warfare, disabling an enemy's digital infrastructure can be just as effective as destroying physical targets. For India, strengthening cyber defense and developing offensive cyber capabilities must be a national priority because the next war could begin with a keyboard rather than a missile. Another major lesson emerging from this conflict is the power of low cost technologies. Drones, loitering munitions, short range precision missiles. These relatively inexpensive systems can overwhelm extremely expensive defense platforms. Instead of deploying a few high value weapons, militaries can launch large swarms of cheap drones to saturate enemy defenses. This strategy forces advanced militaries to spend millions of dollars defending against threats that can cost only thousands. For India, investing in swarms drones technology, counter drone defenses, and affordable precision weapons will be essential because modern warfare is increasingly becoming a contest of economics as much as technology. The final lesson is perhaps the most important. Military strength alone does not guarantee political victory. Even overwhelming military pressure often fails to produce clear political outcomes. Conflicts today are shaped by diplomacy, global alliances, economic sanctions, and public perception. Without clear political objectives, even successful military operations can struggle to achieve lasting results. For India, this highlights the importance of aligning military strategy with clearly defined political goals. War must not only be fought effectively, they must also be ended strategically. The conflict involving Iran is more than a regional war. It is a glimpse into the future of global warfare, a future defined by artificial intelligence, cyber warfare, drone swarms, multi-domain operations. For the Indian military, adopting to these realities is not optional, it is essential. Because the nations that master these technologies will shape the balance of power in the 21st century, and the wars of tomorrow will be won long before the first soldier steps onto the battlefield.